In this video, we'll show you how to open your business account in just a few simple steps. Let's start by logging in to your verified VELL account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the individual account section and select Create New Business Account. Select the role that best describes your relationship with the business. Enter your business name, ABN or ACN in the search field to find your business. Enter your business details, including your business type, business email, registered business name, and business address.
Next, select your business sector, business industry, and size of the business. In this page, tell us a bit more about your business. Provide a short overview of your business, including the products or services you offer, your target customers, and what makes your business unique. Keep your description clear and concise. This information helps us better understand your business and support your account application. In this step, upload your ASIC company document for verification. Please ensure the document is current, complete, and clearly shows your company details. Use this information to help verify your business and continue your application. In this step, choose how company actions are authorized. Requires approval from all authorized person means every authorized person on the account must provide approval before actions can proceed. Any authorized person can approve means a single authorized person can independently approve actions on behalf of the company. Select the option that best matches how your business manages approvals and decision-making. Next, verify that all information is correct. Then click Confirm and Submit to complete your application. We'll begin reviewing your application and notify you once your account has been approved. Welcome to VELL Business.